Alright, so today we're gonna be fixing our Void Pro RGB wireless gaming headphones by Corsair. Because what happened is when I bought it, it was advertised that it should be providing 16 hours of uptime with a single charge, but lately it's just giving me an hour or two after one full cycle. So what we're going to do is we're gonna be changing the battery and upgrading it from 1000 mAh to 2000. So the first thing you want to do is to basically remove the padding and try to clean it. So once it's already removed, you can start unscrewing all those 6 screws. So once all the screws are out, make sure you're very careful on popping up the cover because the wires are really thin. One small pull and it could actually disconnect or break the entire headphones. As you can see, there's another 3 screws that we need to unscrew. So let's do it. Another set of unscrewing. So once all the screw heads are out, you must be carefully try to pop up the cover. This cover is the one that holds the old battery in place. As you can see, the battery is connected on that one, so all you need to do is carefully remove it so that you can change it. There you have it. The old battery is out. So just try to remove it or do whatever you want on the old battery. And yeah, I'm trying to remove it, but the old battery is really stuck. So I decided to just let it be and get on to the actual changing of batteries. So this is what I bought. The link will be on the description below. So I bought it from Lazada. It costed me around 1800 pesos. It ships from China, so it took around about a week or 2 before it arrived. So there we go. So as you can see, this is actually a 2000 mAh battery, 103450, compared to the old battery, which is 1000 mAh. As you can see, let's compare it. It's blurry. 1000 mAh. So this is times 2 times of the old capacity. So let's try to install it. So the first step is you have to plug the JST on the port. Make sure that you are plugging it on the correct and precise place so that it wouldn't ruin the port. So now, once you're trying to put it in place, you will notice that the cap doesn't close. Reason behind that, because the 2000 mAh battery is much thicker. It's like times 2 thicker than the original battery. So what I'm going to do as a solution of this is basically, as you can see on the video, I will remove the plastic protection cap just below of the battery where you will be putting it on. So check it out. Since now the plastic is out, let's try to fit it. Quick reminder though, what happened to me is that before I actually closed it, I did not try to organize the wires inside, and it keeps on protruding on the plastic cap. So make sure that the wires are really arranged in such a way that it wouldn't protrude on the screw places. So I noticed that there's still some thickness trying to not close the cap totally. So I just decided to just let it go and just screw the cap in place, regardless if there's like 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters opening still. So just screw it all the way. There you have it. The cap is now screwed in place. Now let's test if it works. As you can see, the lights are coming up. It turns on perfectly fine. Now let's check if it works on the computer. Well, upon testing it, it does work. So that's a success, guys. battery is now changed from 1000 to 2000 mAh. Now time to wrap up and make sure that all the screws are tight and sealed. More screwing. Now let's attach the cushion back to its rightful place after some cleaning from the dust. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe and like and put your comments below. Until then, bye now.